Hello, Bladers. Here in the Philippines, people usually receive their first car as a special gift when they graduate or when they reach a certain age. As such, when they receive their car, they usually treat it like a baby. Some people even go to the extent of naming it. After all, their first car is usually the one they'll remember the most. And like all people, celebrities also never forget their first cars. Don't believe us? Well, here is a list of some celebrities and their memorable first cars. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are the 5 celebrities and their first cars. Number 1, Scarlett Johansson. Scarlett Johansson's first car was the BMW Z4. Though it is a beauty, she says she regrets it because she got in a huge accident in it. Number 2, Taylor Swift. For Taylor Swift's 18th birthday, she received a pink pickup truck from her record label. However, she eventually auctioned it off for charity since it was too eye-catching for a pop star icon who was looking to shake off the paparazzi. Number 3, David Beckham. When David Beckham was a trainee at Manchester United, he bought his teammates Ford Escort. Talk about throwback to good old days. Number 4, Daniel Craig. Before he had the chance to drive super sleek cars as James Bond, Daniel Craig bought his Nissan Cherry for only £300. Number 5, Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp's Chevy Nova would sometimes double up as his sleeping place way before he got picked up as a celebrity. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.